Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a ship. Before we draw, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To know my next drawing, please watch the video till the end. Come, let's start. First step is to draw a curved sleeping line for the sea level. Second step is to draw a slanted line on both the sides. Close both the slanted line by using sleeping line. Now draw another sleeping line parallel to the first one. Now draw two small standing lines on both the sides. Now close the standing line by using the sleeping line, just like a rectangle shape. Now draw another set of standing line and sleeping line to form another rectangle for the deck. Draw two standing line and close both the standing line by using an oval shape for the funnel. Draw second step of standing line and close it by an oval shape. Draw another set of standing line and close it with an oval. Now draw three semi-rectangle inside the first rectangle for the windows. Draw four semi-rectangle inside the second deck. Draw circles. Draw three small rectangle shape. Draw curved oval shape for the smoke. Draw a sleeping line and alphabet M curve from one side of the sleeping line to the another side of a sleeping line. Draw another cloud, just like the first one, on the right side. Draw a semicircle on top of the cloud. Draw crow by using an alphabet R and curves at the bottom of R. Let's start coloring. Dark blue color. Today I am going to use water painting for coloring. As I always say, give the boundary first before start filling the color inside. Start from one direction to another direction, line by line, so that the color won't go outside. Red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Brown color. Light blue color. Grey color. Black color for the outline. Yellow color. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw a chessboard. Please try this drawing and share the picture in the comment section. Stay healthy and stay safe. See you.